Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad. Today we will go through the round 1 question papers of ITO's English International Olympiad for class 9. The question paper consists of 50 questions in which 35 questions are of subjective, 10 questions are of logical reasoning and 5 questions are of high order thinking. This 50 question exam holds 50 marks. So let us begin. You can write the answers one by one in a notebook or a blank piece of paper and then compare them with the answer key provided at the end of this question paper. Direction for question 1 and 2. Write word which is most opposite in meaning of the given word. Question 3. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the word. Question 4. Direction. In the question below, the sentences have been given in direct-indirect speech. From the given alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the given sentence in indirect-direct speech. I told him that he was not working hard. Question 5. Direction. In the questions below, the sentences have been given in active-passive voice. From the given alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the given sentence in passive-active voice. I remember my sister taking me to the museum. Directions from question 6 to question 10. Choose the correct option given below to complete the paragraph. As a rule of thumb, a manned mission cost from 50 to 100 times more than a comparable unmanned mission. Thus, for scientific exploration alone, dash missions employing machine intelligence are dash. However, there may well be dash other than scientific for exploring dash social, economic, political culture or dash. Question 11. In question below, an incomplete statement followed by fillers is given. Pick out the best one which can complete incomplete stem correctly and meaningfully. Despite his best efforts to conceal his anger, Question 12. Choose the correct meaning of proverb idiom given below. To have an axe to grind. Directions for question 13 and question 14. Pick out the most effective words from the given words to fill in the blank to make the sentence meaningfully complete. 13. Man does not live by dash alone. Number 14. Piyush behaves strangely at times and therefore nobody gets dash with him. Directions for question 15 and question 16. A part of the sentence is underlined below are given alternatives to the underlined part which may improve the sentence. Choose the correct alternative. In case no improvement is needed, option D is the answer. Number 15. If he had time, he will call you. Number 16. Will you lend me few rupees in this hour of need? Directions for question 17 and question 18. Find the correctly spelled words. Question 19. Direction. Read each sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. The letter of that part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is D. Question 20. Direction. In the following, the questions choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the given word. Adversity, directions. Question number 21 and 22. In each of the following questions, some parts of the sentence have been jumbled up. You are required to rearrange these parts, which are labeled P, Q, R and S, to produce the correct sentence. Choose the proper sequence. Direction for question number 23 and 24. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions, choosing one from the four alternatives given below each sentences. Number 23. He plays cricket dash hockey. Number 24. You should start at dawn to reach the station dash time. Number 25. Which answer identifies the conjunctions in the following sentence? Both Mr. Dinesh and Mr. Kiran enjoy tacos. Question 26. Read the following paragraph and identify which sentence is written in active voice. Directions for question number 27 and 28. In each question, a sentence is given with a part printed in bold. That part may contain a grammatical error. Replace that part with the four choices given: A, B, C and D. Number 27. It was quite clear that the athlete can be able to improve upon his own record. Question 28. He was not written any book since his mother had died. Question 29. Choose the word phrase which is most nearly the same in meaning of the given word. Prevailing. Directions from question number 30 to 32. Each question below has two blanks, each blank indicating that something has been omitted. Choose the set of words for each blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. Number 30. Unpredictable dash of the child could not lead the consultants to any dash. Number 31. A public servant who is guilty will not dash punishment and no dash person will be punished. Number 32. Few professions can dash the sheer variety and constant of dash of being a doctor. Directions for question 33 and 34. Choose the word which is most nearly the same in meaning as the word given. 33. Degrading. 34. Transitional. Question 35. 6 people P, Q, R, S, T and U are sitting in a circular path who are facing the center. R is third from P in the right, Q is third from the T in the left, U is between P and T and S is third from U in the left right. Who is the opposite to T? Question 36. A lady pointing to a woman in a photograph says, She is the only daughter of my father-in-law. How is the woman related to the lady? Question 37. If binary is coded as DHPZTK, then how will kidnap be coded? Question 38. If the English alphabet series is written in the reverse order and every alternate letter starting from Y is dropped, which letter will be exactly in the middle of the remaining letters of the alphabet series? Question 39. How many 5s are there in the following sequence of numbers which are immediately preceded by 7? Question 40. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the given word. Question 41. Direction. In each of the following questions, you are given a combination of alphabets and or numbers followed by 4 alternatives 1, 2, 3 and 4. Choose the alternative which closely resembles the mirror image of the given combination. Directions for question 41 and 42. In each of the following questions, a series is given. Which one of the alternatives will replace the question mark? Question 44. A man pointing to a photograph says, "The lady in the photograph is my nephew's maternal grandmother." How is the lady in the photograph related to the man's sister who has no other sister? Question 45. In a certain code, mention is written as LNEITNO. How is pattern written in that code? Question 46. What time last watch show? Question 47. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 48. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 49. In this series, you will be looking at both the letter pattern and the number pattern. Fill the blank in the middle of the series or end of the series. Question 50. Choose the correct meaning of proverb idiom to make clean breast of.
Now we have completed the question paper. You can cross-check your answers in the next image. Now you can opt for a wide range of study materials from Indian Talent Olympiad offered for international Olympiads.
We provide workbooks, previous year question paper sets, monthly Olympiad practice test series, and power packs. To purchase this study material, visit Indian Talent Olympiad's official website. We have provided the link in the description box below.